Hey guys, it's Cameron. Welcome back to another Christmas video. And you guys are watching this video on December the 14th. So yeah, this is for the 14th of December. And welcome to day number 11 of Cameron Miss. So yeah, welcome to day number 11 of Cameron Miss. You guys are definitely watching this video on December the 14th. Today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys 3 scary snowstorm stories. So yeah, I will be telling you guys 3 scary snowstorm stories. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started with these 3 scary snowstorm stories. Okay, number 1. A man was driving home from work during a snowstorm. So he's driving home from work during a snowstorm. As he's driving home from a snowstorm, he saw something mysterious on the road. Yeah, he saw some mysterious figure on the road. Yeah, he saw something on the road while he's driving in the snowstorm on his way home from work. Because he wanted to get back home to his wife. Yeah, he wanted to get back home to his wife. So yeah, he had no idea what was that mysterious thing he saw on the road. But it made him feel creeped out. Yeah, he had no idea what it was on the road that he saw in the snowstorm. Finally, he makes it back home to his wife. And he was telling his wife he saw a mysterious figure in the snowstorm while he was driving back home from work. But his wife thought maybe it was a ghostly spirit. So yeah, she thought it was a ghostly spirit that her husband had seen. But I don't think it was a ghostly figure that her husband had seen during the snowstorm. Maybe it was some type of ghostly figure he saw on the road. It probably was. I'm not sure. And I don't know. So yeah, he was still creeped out by the ghostly figure he saw while he was driving back home during the snowstorm. Yeah, he was still creeped out by the ghostly figure he saw during the snowstorm while he's driving back home from work. So he decided to sit on the couch with his wife and just look at some television so he can forget about what he saw during the snowstorm. So yeah, him and his wife did sit on the couch to look at some TV. And he also went into the kitchen to go make him some coffee since it was cold outside. He made him and his wife some hot coffee, which I love. I do love a hot coffee, but iced coffee too. So he made him and his wife some hot coffee since it was so cold outside and there was a snowstorm. So yeah, they sat on the couch drinking hot coffee while watching some television. Okay, story number 2. There was a young couple who was sitting at home during a snowstorm. They could not get out the house because there was so much snow outside. Yeah, there was so much snow outside. And they could not go outside. So, the boyfriend went to the kitchen to go make him and his girlfriend some hot cocoa with marshmallows in it. It do sound good while I'm telling the story. Hot chocolate and marshmallows sound really good while I'm telling this snowstorm story. So, his girlfriend is sitting on the couch waiting for some hot cocoa. And she looks out the window to look at the snow. While she's looking at the snow in the window, something caught her eye. She saw something weird standing outside in the snow. She could not make out what it was, but it sent a chill down her spine. So she closed the curtains and tried to forget about it, since it sent a chill down her spine. And her boyfriend was asking her, "Is everything okay, babe?" And she told her boyfriend she saw something mysterious standing outside in the snow. Yeah, she saw something mysterious standing outside in the snow. So, she finally got her hot cocoa and she loved it. So, she loved her hot chocolate so much because it had marshmallows in it. It sounds really good while I'm telling the story. Even though I had a cup of iced coffee yesterday in my previous video. So yeah, she went to go look out the window and something is still standing outside in the snow. So yeah, she could make out a figure of a man standing outside in the snow. So yeah, she saw a figure of a man standing outside in the snow. Her boyfriend asked her if everything was okay. She told her boyfriend that she saw a strange man standing outside in the snow. So yeah, she saw a mysterious man standing outside in the snow. So her boyfriend looked out the window and he saw it too. Yeah, he did see it, so he called the police on the phone. He reached for the phone to call the cops, cause there was a strange man standing outside in the snow looking at them. So the police finally arrived and they took away the man. The couple went outside with the police officers to get rid of the man that was stalking them. But I think it's so creepy that the girlfriend saw a strange man standing outside in the snow. I think it's really creepy that she saw it. So, the police officers took this strange man to jail cuz he was standing in their front yard stalking them. The young couple and the police officers had no idea who this man was or why was he standing in their front yard during the snowstorm. And he was wearing a big coat. Yeah, he was wearing a big coat. And he was wearing a hat, too. So, the young couple never saw this strange man ever again because he got arrested by the police. So, they went back in the house to drink their hot chocolate and look at a movie on TV. They never saw that strange man ever again. Okay. Okay, also, story number 3. There was two men. Two men were driving to the store during a snowstorm because they need to get stuff to eat. So they're driving in the snowstorm. While the two men are driving in the snowstorm, they happen to see something mysterious standing on the road, and it suddenly disappeared. It sent a chill down their spine. So they make it to the store. They got whatever they needed to eat. So they did get what they needed to eat for supper. So they get back in their pickup truck on their way back home. They see the strange thing on the road, the mysterious figure on the road, and it suddenly disappeared. Yeah, it suddenly vanished whenever they saw it on the road. And there was a lot of snow coming from the sky. The two men make it back home, and they're still freaked out by what they saw whenever they were driving to the store and back home from the grocery store. So the two men go into the kitchen to cook their food to eat for supper. They sit on a couch to eat their food, even though they are still freaked out by what they saw on the road that suddenly vanished. Yeah, they saw a mysterious figure on the road and it suddenly vanished. I think it was a ghost. Yeah, I think it was a ghostly figure they saw on the road. Yeah, it was a ghostly figure that they saw on the road. And it suddenly vanished into thin air. So the two men sit on the couch to eat their food. And they try to forget about what they saw on the road during the snowstorm. Yeah, they did forget about what they saw on the road during the snowstorm. So they sat on a couch eating their dinner, and they did forget about what they saw on the road during the snowstorm. Okay, I'll put an end to it there. So that was 3 scary snowstorm stories. So I hope you guys enjoyed day number 11 of Cameron Miss. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a big old thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, so you guys don't miss a new video I post every single week. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys, and as always, stay creepy.